So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can download and install VLC Media Player in Windows 11. So first of all, open the browser on your Windows PC. Now here in the address bar, type VLC download. Now here, open the first link that appears. Now here click on download VLC. Wait for a few seconds. Now this shows unverified download blocked. Click on it. And now click on download unverified file. Now as you can see here, the file is downloaded. Click on it to run the setup. Now you will see this UAC prompt. Click on yes. Click on OK. Now here click on next. Click on next again. Click on next. Now click on install. And now as you can see here, VLC Media Player is installing. Now wait until the process completes. Now VLC is installed. Click on finish. Now close this window. And this will launch VLC on Windows. So this way I can download and install VLC Media Player in Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.